Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to create Amazon KDP account. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open any type of preferred browser and search for Amazon KDP. After that, open the first web link, and you will be redirected to this website. Now, you will need to click on the Join button to get started with the account creation. Here, you will be prompted to some personal details like name, email, and password. Once done, click on the Create button and a verification code will be sent to your email address. Simply navigate to the email and then paste the received code into the dedicated box. Next, agree to the terms and conditions, and your account will be created. Now, you will be able to create new Kindle books and publish them. So that's basically how you can create Amazon KDP account. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.